There is no comparison. You put them bitches in a line and I'll embarrass them. Magnificently written, all this shit that I be kicking. Ain't no to the jungle, really, all these bitches kicking. Maybe pop the kill tonight. Yeah, I'm gon' roll one. I'm gon' smoke one. Catch me round with some killers and they own one. Yeah, and we poppin' X, you know we up.
Okay, hey, let's get right into this little voiceover. So I just set my eyes with some concealer, LA Girl concealer. I'm taking the yellow from the BH Cosmetics palette, popping it right into my crease and blending it up to my brow bone a little bit, leaving a little space so it can be my transition shade. I just blend it out with a big fluffy brush. I don't know. I think I have them brushes from Morphe or something. And if you hear some kids in the background, that is my baby cousins, Isaiah and Divine, my little babies. They're in my room. So yeah, now I'm blending a little orange into there, and I'm blending it out with a smaller blending brush. Just getting it all blended out. You know, you want to blend, blend, blend. You don't want to see no harsh lines, none of that. So yeah, I'm using windshield wiper motions and circular motions. Trying to blow out the edges a little bit. I don't want the line. And then I'm doing all that because I always listen to music when I'm doing makeup. So yeah, it always gets me like feeling myself and in the mood to do makeup, so that I listen to music, whatever. So I'm grabbing the Morphe palette, 350M, and I'm grabbing that orange shade that was like in the corner, and it's just a deeper orange shade. So I'm just popping it into my crease. I'm not blending it up as much as the yellow, but just popping it. I set it in it first, and then I'll blend it out. So I'm back in the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm just popping that yellow in there to help blend out them colors more. Make it more of a sunset type of look right now. That's what it looks like. So, and that is a Wet n Wild blending brush. So yeah, I'm just blending, blending, blending. And so yeah, and I'm grabbing a different darker like reddish orange shade and popping it into my outer crease, mainly into my outer crease, and I'm just blending it across like 2/3 of the way. So yeah, so I wanted to excuse the little babies again because they won't be quiet. But I'm just blending, so I'm grabbing that greenish, taupey, brownish shade, and I'm popping it all on my lid. Yep, yes, and that is a flat shader brush from like Elf or something. I just popping that right on there, and on that I added a little bit more of the orange, rusted, reddish orange shade, whatever it's called, on the outer edges. So I'm making sure my whole eyelid is covered with that color, and just patting it down. Okay, so lastly, I'm just going to deepen my outer corners a little bit more with that reddish shade. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Smoke one.